Mardayaw. Kuya Danmar, please stop harassing Kuya Rodelio Daguman, Ate Dina Guillermo, Sangkay Janjan, and even Cedric Mariano. Please, all of you. Why can't you just, all of you, just stop, even though those idiot Marcos loyalists, to stop trolling at Kuya Rodelio Daguman. You know, if I'm saying to everyone, respect his own opinion. Like I said before, opinion pala ni Kuya Rodelio Daguman yon. Like I said, Rodelio, he has his own opinion. Like me, I'm asking by Roylan Marlang, Roylan says to me, hindi po yan si Kuya Rodelio Daguman, ang fake account ng, what's that? Rodelio Daguman. You know, um, you know, Danmar Dayaw, Sangkay Janjan, Ate Dina Guillermo, and even Cedric Mariano, please all of you, do not politicalize Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Because you know, it's so embarrassing you if you politicalize Kuya Rodelio Daguman, mapapaaway kayo. Like I said, you know, Rodelio Daguman, that was a friend of Ninang Bebe, Marisol Gabag, is also a cerebral palsy. Like I said before, why can't you just stop harassing Kuya Rodelio Daguman? I say again, I am not politicalize everybody. I move on with Rafa Soco. I defeated Rafa Soco in the first place. In 2023, I defeated him also. But right now, I apologize to Rafa Soco, to the teachers in Integrated Center Piang. I talked to Jetro. I just want to reconcile with my former enemy, Rafa. But Rafa and we're not actually enemies. If Rafa Soco is my former enemy, this is how I reconcile with him. It's simple. You know, for me, Danmar, Dayaw, why can't you just reconcile with Kuya Rodelio Daguman? Even Cedric Mariano, both of you, reconcile. It is better. For me, I have a lesson from Capitano Salonga, and even Roylan Marlang. Roylan Marlang and Capitano Salonga had said it, let's stop fighting. You know, let's stop fighting. I made my YouTube video. I end up fighting, my enemies only is Paulo Cruzada and also Ate Dina Guillermo, who were Marcos loyalists. Danmar, you still harassing at Kuya Rodelio Daguman. One more harassing at Kuya Rodelio Daguman, Danmar, I will put you in my enemy list. If I want to start a fight, I don't want to start a fight. You know, Danmar, if I were you, you invited me in a Zoom meeting in last pandemic. You know, last pandemic, you invited me in Zoom meeting. Danmar, with all due respect, can you just respect the privacy of Kuya Rodelio Daguman? Stop invading his privacy. I'm not a bully. Look at Kuya Rodelio Daguman. He's non-political. You know, Danmar, Dayaw. You know, me and Terra Francisco, we always concerned about the issue you're saying about, you're messing out with Cedric, ginaganon mo pa si Cedric. You know, Danmar, stop brainwash Cedric Mariano. to politicalize Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Like I said before, we have to be neutral. We have to be non-political. If ever I side, oh, my idol is Rodrigo Duterte. Oh, you, Danmar, your idol is Bongbong Marcos. Oh, what's the point? If Kuya Rodelio Daguman is a pro Duterte, if he loves Rodrigo Duterte, he has his own opinion. Kung si Rodelio ay pro Duterte, like I say again, Danmar, pabayaan mo na siya. Let him be. It's so embarrassing, It's so embarrassing to those idiot Marcos loyalists who are fake Filipinos. It's so embarrassing. I mean, when I attack Teacher Jessa Fernandez, I believe that Teacher Jessa Fernandez is a pro Duterte. I should not attack her. Oh. Teacher Jessa is my former enemy. We are friends. This is hard to those people who are pro Marcos. Among them is Teacher Gemma, pro Marcos. Even Teacher Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio. They are pro Marcos. Teacher Maxi is pro Duterte. She's not pro Marcos. Even who's among the CDIFI teachers? Teacher Chris, pro Duterte. Teacher Mirna, pro Duterte. Teacher May, Teacher Marisa are pro Duterte. What's the problem, Danmar? If they are pro Duterte, would you criticize those SPED teachers who were in CDIFI, who were pro Duterte, like Teacher Marisa, Teacher May, and who else? Teacher Maxi, Teacher Chris, or Teacher Mirna, they have their own opinion. Like I said to you, Danmar Dayaw, wag mo ganunin si Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Maawa ka. Have mercy to that person was. You know, when I talk to Kuya Bear, when I talk to Clarence Barredo in Messenger, you're still provoking Kuya Rodelio Daguman to make fake account and brainwash Cedric Mariano to make fake account. Is this really nice to make fake account? At Kuya Rodelio Daguman, Danmar Dayaw, Sangkay Janjan, Ate Dina Guillermo, Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, and even Teacher Gemma and Ate Dina Guillermo. At least Ate Mel Canete, she's not pro Marcos. She's a pro Duterte. She's my teacher aide. You remember Ate Mel Canete? You know, Danmar, Kuya Danmar, I just want to say to you, even to all idiot Marcos loyalists, Sangkay Janjan, Romeo TV Vlog, Ate Dina Guillermo, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, and those Marcos loyalists who are fake Filipinos, please, all of you, respect the privacy of Kuya Rodelio Daguman if he is a pro Duterte. I know, Danmar, I said that before, if Kuya Rodelio Daguman is a pro Duterte, this is very resilient, this is very defiant. What will be happen if I say again, if Kuya Rodelio Daguman commits suicide? This will be happen to you, to all of those idiot Marcos loyalists. Mga bobo kayo. mga gago kayo, like I said. You know, this is really hurt. Me, when I heard Kuya Rodelio, he's my good friend. Oh, I appreciate, I watch his video, good of singing, good of art. I always watch that. Do you know, folks, if Kuya Rodelio Daguman is an anti-Marcos, when he was experiencing EDSA People Power 1986, when he was a kid, let's respect his own opinion. Opinion niya yon, like I said. You know, folks, I do not want to hurt everyone. You know, guys, I don't want to hurt everyone to all those people are. You know, Danmar, you should reflect yourself. You should reflect to yourself even what you did to Cedric. Inaano mo pa si Cedric? Oh. You know, me and Clarence Beredo and Roylan Marlang and Lawrence Villawan, we are warning at you, Kuya Danmar Dayaw, wag mo kasi ganunin si Rodelio. Just leave him alone. Like me, when I attack Rafa Soco, when I insulted Rafa, when I bully Rafa Soco, what did I do? I apologize to teacher Desi. Oh, Teacher Desi, Teacher Desi, who was in the Integrated Center of Young. I talk in the telephone in that line. I said I make a public apology to Rafa Soco. Because I know this is my mistake. When before I reconcile with Rafa, I leave him alone. I don't want to add him in Facebook. I don't want to message at him in Messenger. I don't want to follow Rafa Soco in what's that, TikTok. I just leave him alone. Always, you know, like Capitana says, Capitana Salonga says, when there's making enemy, you should leave each other alone. You know, Danmar, when I made this in my YouTube video, in my vlog, tigilan mo na si Rodelio. Maawa ka, Danmar. You know, Danmar, your parents, your mother did not discipline you, did not reprimand you. You will be happen like Paulo Cruzada. You will be happen like Ate Dina Guillermo. You want to be happen just like them? Danmar, do you want to be happen like Gina Sejo and Jeffrey Sejo? Gusto mo ba matulad sila? Like I said to you, Danmar, Dayaw. You know, Danmar, magagalit si Roylan sa'yo, like I said, Danmar. Huwag mo kasi anuin si Rodelio, si Kuya Rodelio Daguman. You know, Danmar, it's really affected when you bully a cerebral palsy. Like me, I never bully Paula Nunez. When I called Paula Nunez, I said, you can't even brush your teeth. What did I do? My mom gets scolded me. I said that, this is my fault when I attacked Paula Colin Nunez. I called Paula, you can't even brush your teeth. I insulted her with the joke. This is my fault. And now, I apologize Paula Colin Nunez, sincerely, kay Sukatlin Canete. I learned how to reconcile with Paula. For you, Danmar, you need to learn how to respect. Like me, I respect Lawrence Villawan. Lawrence and I, we're not talking about politics. We're talking about PS4. PS4 games. Always to do. You know, Danmar, have a shame to yourself. Even you, Sangkay Jan, Romeo TV Vlog, Ate Dina Guillermo, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. All of you should be ashamed. Even those idiot Marcos loyalists who are fake Filipinos. All of you should be ashamed to Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Always to do when I was having a warning. to all of you.